Hello and welcome. If you truly wish to learn Vedic Indian astrology from the very beginning, you can now learn directly with me on my Astro Learnixar app. In this complete course, I will teach you Vedic astrology step by step from basic to advanced level. Every lesson includes practice assignments, quiz questions, and discussion sessions. You will also get access to my private Telegram study group where you can ask questions anytime, and I will personally help you clear your doubts. Vedic astrology is a vast and divine subject, so we will move slowly and systematically, building a strong foundation before we reach advanced predictive analysis. This entire course is available on my Android application, Astro Learnixar. To join, simply contact me on Telegram using the link given in the description below and begin your learning journey from the very first step. Now, let's begin today's lesson. The second house and its connection with career and profession. What the second house represents. In Vedic astrology, the second house governs speech, wealth, family, and the face or mouth. It shows how we earn, communicate, and preserve resources. Any profession linked to communication, finance, food, beauty, or family tradition is influenced by this house. Careers related to speech. The second house is called the house of voice. So any career that depends on how you speak or express yourself belongs here. Teaching and lecturing, law, debate, or courtroom professions. Anchoring, news reading, podcasting, or public speaking. Singing, voiceovers, or YouTube narration. Whenever your voice becomes your power, your second house is active. Face, beauty, and presentation. Because this house rules the face and appearance, it also covers industries that enhance beauty or presentation. Makeup and skincare, hairstyling and grooming products, beauty salons and spa services, cosmetic or personal care brands. Anywhere looks and presentation matter, the second house plays a role. Food and taste-based professions. The mouth not only speaks, it tastes. Therefore, this house connects strongly with food and hospitality, restaurants, cafes and hotels, baking, snacks, beverages or liquor industries, oral care, dentistry and health hygiene products. Food safety, quality testing, and grocery trade. If your second house is powerful, careers linked with food and taste bring success. Family and traditional work. Since the second house also represents family and lineage, people often succeed by continuing their ancestral profession or family business, especially when the second house is connected with the 10th house of career. Wealth and financial fields. The second house is also called the house of wealth. It rules over money management and financial resources, banking and finance, accounting, chartered accountancy and auditing, financial analysis, investment and fund management, jewelry, gold, silver and gemstones trade. Any work where money itself becomes the product belongs here. Vision and eye-related professions. This house also governs eyes and vision, so it includes professions such as eye doctors and optical shops. Glass or lens manufacturing, photography, cameras and surveillance systems, cinemas, entertainment and exhibitions. Wherever people see or observe, the second house gives support. Storage and safety. The second house also rules storage, preservation and safety. Anything that keeps things safe and organized. Warehouses and cold storage units, libraries, museums and archives, security equipment, CCTV or insurance. If you work to protect, preserve or secure resources, you are using the energy of the second house. Conclusion? When the second house and its lord are strong and connected with the 10th or 11th house, it brings growth in professions linked with voice, wealth, food, beauty, vision, and safety. So remember, your voice, your words, and your ability to preserve and manage wealth can become your greatest professional asset. And once again, to study all 12 houses, nakshatras, and prediction methods step by step from basic to advanced, join the complete course on my Astro Learnixar app. You'll get structured lessons, Q&A sessions, and personalized mentorship inside our private Telegram group. The link is given in the description below. Don't forget to check it. Thank you for listening.